Hello, it's Sander from Roketfy. In this video, I'll show you how to use Roketfy's product research tool. Before we begin, it's important to note that in order to use product research feature, you'll need to log into your Roketfy account and enter the URL to your store. Once that's done, you'll have full access to all of Roketfy's services. When you click on Product Research tab, you'll see a simple page, but don't let the simplicity fool you, as the metrics provided on this page are extremely valuable. You can conduct two types of product research here. One is keyword-based and the other is category-based. And you can choose from a variety of filters to perfectly see the metrics that you want to see. So let's try to make a product research. Here you can choose the main category. Let's choose home and living. And you can choose the subcategory. Let's choose wall decor and wall hangings and click on apply. One of the useful aspects of product research tool is the ability to filter and customize your search. You can even add keywords to make your search more specific. This allows you to hone in on exactly what you're looking for and make more informed decisions about what products or strategies to pursue. Finally, click on search button and then it will start listing the products here. As you can see, the products are listed according to their price, reviews, favorites, views, and we can see their estimated daily sales. We can see their estimated monthly turnover. By clicking here, you can change the order in which the products are listed, and the number of products listed here can vary. When we click on a product, we can see the days that have the most sales. For example, it's Friday for this product. This information is crucial for understanding the market trends and potential sales for your own products. Additionally, you can see product and shop details here. By researching your competitors' products, you can gain valuable insights about what is working well for them and consider incorporating similar strategies for your own business. Overall, the Roketfy product research tool is a valuable resource for anyone looking to enter the market or gain a competitive edge. The metrics and information provided can help you make more informed decisions about your products and business strategies. So if you have any further questions or any feedback about our services, please feel free to contact our WhatsApp support team by clicking this button. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.